morning, everybody. This is Garrett with GSG Group, the investment group. Today is July 29th, 2020. It's Wednesday. It's a good day to be a Wednesday. Let's check out market today. We had one play. Ooh. They jumped down pretty quick. Let's get rid of this real quick. 55. Gotta get out of this play. So boom. Didn't look like it. Oh, cool. So let's check it out. See what this sold at. So I did get it to sell for 55 cents. I bought it for 50 cents. Had to get up out of it real quick. Let's check out the VIX. See how we're doing today. So for the VIX, we are just above 24 points. Just above 24. Starbucks is going crazy right now. So is AMD. If we are to look at AMD right now, AMD should be, about to say AMD should be around $75. They had a big jump yesterday. If we look at the week, they had a great big jump. Last week, boom, this week. And then yesterday they had another big jump. They jumped from 68 all the way to 74. So AMD is doing spectacular. They just had their earnings read, showing just how great they're doing. And This is not Micron's day, so I'm gonna go back to Micron and show you something. This is not Micron's day. So Micron is having a type of day where they would still hit about $50, maybe even $49.90 on the low. If I go to my chart on how I've been, this is where I wanted to sell Micron at today. So if I was to sell in Micron today, they wasn't over the $50.46 mark. So I sold them at 55 cents because they were around 530, 50.30. And then if they were around 50.73, I would have sold them for 71 cents. So Micron's low for the day, they still could hit around $50.04. If they were to go up, I'd say they would go up as much as $51.27, just based off these analytics I've been running on them for about a month. So those are my analytics that I've been running on them for a month, just to see where I'm going to play. Like for instance, I'm gonna go ahead and hit Micron. If I was to go with the put option saying that they was gonna go down to at least $50, this is how much it would cost times 100, of course. And $10 today would be good. I'm gonna do it. One contract. I want to do 65. Can I do 66? Here's 65, 64, 60. Oh, it's going up. 60. Keep going. Keep going. So I've been analyzing Micron. That's the only reason I'm sticking with Micron. So they're up almost a point. Let's see how much. How many? Oh, I only got 1 day trade left. Only one left, so now it's back down. It's going back down. Should have bought it at 60 when I had a chance. So this is what I'll do. I'll put it's going to keep hovering around here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 60. And then I'm going to go back, see if my 60 will buy. See if this 60 will buy. Just about. Take this and I'm gonna go ahead and set it to sell for 70. Sell 70, boom. $50 for, yep, 70. So my order is placed right here. I bought it for 60. I want to sell it for 70. My goal is just for the week to get over the $400 mark. I think that's doable. Yeah, I think we can manage that. So, real quick before I get up out of here, the VIX, the Volatility Index, You see how the S&P 500 is up, and they're up 14.5 points. The Dow's up 8.35 points. The Nasdaq is up 78 points. We got crude oil and gold up. Gold has been smashing for a while now, and when I hit this button over here, we're going to see silver is up also. And then you look over here around the VIX. This is the Volatility Index. The Volatility Index, when this is 24 points or lower, these indexes are most likely up. S&P 500, Dow, the Nasdaq, they're most likely up when the volatility index is down at least 24 points. Right now it's hovering around 24.62. 24.62. If it goes down lower, like around 23, these guys are going to be really high. But 24 is still getting these guys in a group of companies that keep these guys afloat, like Apple. If Apple's having a immaculate day, but everybody else within the index is kind of dropping down, they may prosper so much that it'll just get them in the green. But right now, with them being around 24, I'm gonna refresh again. 24.62. With them being in the negative, that's letting them be in the positive, which is something, like I shared yesterday, something I just learned. I didn't know anything about the VIX or the volatility index. So yeah, these guys are doing pretty good. Gold is smashing right now. Gold is doing such a great job. Be careful if you plan on buying gold, because it's really high right now. It's really high. But when things are low somewhere else, they're always high somewhere else. When things are high somewhere else, they're always something low somewhere else as well. So yeah, gold is doing excellent. It's almost $2,000 for a grip of gold. The value of gold is always going to be the value of gold. Market closes in 6 hours and 13 minutes. I'm going to wrap up my day there. Micron is staying in the positive right now. If they start to drop down, my $10 sale will hit. If they start to go back up, my sale will not hit. And then if it doesn't sell by 4 o'clock, then my sale will expire until tomorrow. It doesn't expire. The contract doesn't expire until the 31st. So I got it possibly dropping down to So with it opening up, so it has to get close to where it opened up at. So at 9:30 and 9:35, where did Micron open up at? Let's take a look. So if we look at Micron at 9:30, it opened up at about 540. Look at between 540 and about $50.40 and $50.26. So around $50.25. If it gets down that low, that's where my option would sell. Until then, we're gonna hold off. Also, all of the stocks that I own right now, they're currently in the green. I do plan on buying some more of this ETF and this one as well, because they've been paying back in dividends. So once MFA gets down lower as well, we're going to buy some more MFA financial company. They pay back dividends as well. Yep. So we'll buy some more shares of them. This mortgage trust company, they paid 20 cents in dividends. So the companies that pay back dividends, those are the companies that I want to do more investing in. So that's the plan that I have so far. Let me see what the gush is looking like. Still got my eye on gush. I'm not quite sure how to handle gush yet. But I'm gonna keep my eye on gush. So I got my eye on a few things. Nikola. Nikola is down $1 and a half already. Yeah. You gotta catch up with the mustard, buddy. AMD is kicking butt today. AMD is kicking butt. Yeah, they're kicking butt too. Oh yeah, they're kicking big butt. So yeah, guys, this is where I'm at. I'm gonna call it a wrap for today. Remember, the book of the week is The Color of Money by Marcia Baradaran. The Color of Money, Black Banks and the Racial Wealth Gap. Pretty good read. I picked up this book and read it, and also listened a piece of it on audiobook. Yeah, that was okay. So that's where I'm at today. You guys be safe, care for the ones you love, and love the ones you care for. Peace, and I'm out.